Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to Bushnell on a Sunday. So guess what, guys? We have the KOSO Grom. A lot of you guys have been waiting to see this. Here she is. So a little info if you're new to the channel. This is the KOSO build. So this was stock to knot season 1. We built this up from a stock Grom. It's a 170 Big Bore kit. It's got a specific tuner on it called the A Racer. So it's a standalone ECU, upgraded suspension, track tires, new woodcraft rear sets, and a whole bunch of other goodies to kind of complete it. So it's gonna be the first time we take it on the track. We took it to the Smoky Mountains earlier this year, but first time on the track with these rear sets and yeah, everything else. See how it goes. Hey, Hollis. Is it good? Okay. Alright, so Hollis and Jeff came up from Palm Beach and they're going to be working the camera today. So Photogromer Junior and Photogromer the third over there. Appreciate that, guys. Alright, third session. I flipped the GoPro on the swing arm backwards. I have a feeling it's going to be very, very wavy because of the vibration, but nonetheless, additional camera footage. Can't hurt that. 77, we're good. Oh, put in second. Getting first. There we go. All right, here we go. Remember to warm these tires up before I full send. Shit. Puppies up a little bit. No, it's still pretty sticky. That's good. Oh, get my foot placement better. Scary. Get back to what I'm doing right. see TJ on the Super Duke 390. He's coming. Oh, God. Fuck, that hurt. Fuck. 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 Damn arm.
Don't move. Don't move.
All right.
They're right there.
Just shoulder.
Don't move.
Oh, fuck.
Careful, take it easy, assess.
Yeah, I'm alright. It's just my shoulder, I hit the bike. You alright?
I'm good.
All right.
Making sure you're good.
Yeah, I'm alright.
One question. Were you chasing TJ?
No, he was passing me.
I passed and I low side on the pass. Oh, okay. So you both went down. Yeah. He ran me over. I low side in front of him.
Did I hit you?
No. Hey, oh, you're saying he got it on video.
Oh, yeah. There's easier ways to get on a video. Oh, wait, that's not even his bike. Oh, shit. Hey, the GoPro's still here. Yeah, of course I got on video. He went down right in front of me.
The only thing I broke was your light.
Is everyone okay?
No, everything
Yeah.
You were on the ground for a minute. You good, man?
Yeah, he hit my. He went down in front of me. I landed on his bike, so I just hit my shoulder.
Your thing's broke.
The rear mirror.
Let's wait till we can get it out. We'll just lift it up.
Alright, well, there's that. Damn KTMs. You can't bring KTMs anywhere, man.
Balls hurt when we get old, don't they?
Oh, man. I was like, don't hit the bike, don't hit the bike. Fucking thunk.
Oh, that can didn't stop.
Yeah.
Keep the bike on me. That's what I tried to do.
You were like I was tracking out and you slid right in front of me.
Everything's
I know, that's
good.
the only reason I ran over here to make sure
Yeah,
you're
you bet
alright.
this
I know
little-
my bike
Mid Bars.
How'd the rear side grind down?
Oh, it's fine.
fine, yeah. Anyway, so.
Hey, get a picture of this. Here, hold on.
I think I did get a picture of it.
Did you?
Yeah, I think I was bursted at that moment.
Good man. Always take pictures.
Right. Time in the plate.
Well, you hit the grass mostly. I can see you slid out. You're good though? It's good. I peeled this off because otherwise it was going to just
Yeah, that's fine.
your tire.
Come on. Alright. My bar bars look a little bent, huh? They're pointing that way. Jesus. All right. We're gonna assess the damage and go from there. Yeah, he just slid out. Nothing I could do. I tried to avoid it, tried to stand up and brake. Couldn't do it. Hey! You went down too?
Yeah. Lewis went down directly the next
lap?
the very next moment.
This one right here, I got too low.
Slid out. Well, I gotta fix the bars at least. The bars are all bent.
Was you low side?
No, KTM. TJ was riding the KTM. He low slided in front of me, going around that. Well, he low slided in front of me, and I
Monster trucked him?
I monster trucked him. I might have sent it off him. Oh no, it hurt.
You just clutched it up and
all right, we're gonna take a break. We're gonna look at that footage, but damage I can see right off the bat. Obviously, front fender bars are very tweaked. Besides that, Woodcraft sliders held up. Competition Works has nothing on them. Hopefully the rotors are straight and nothing else happened, but that was a pretty hard hit. But I'm okay. My shoulder feels good. I was waiting for the adrenaline to kind of wear off, which it did now. So shoulder feels okay. Maybe not tomorrow. Good thing I popped those leaf earlier. Finger a little bit feels bruised up or cut up. But besides that, pretty good. Shout out Cena for the helmet. All right, I'm gonna take a break. We might pick this up tomorrow. All right, we'll pick this up with a new video. See you guys tomorrow.
Connected.